This is probably the only water bottle you'll ever need. Let's unbox it. So this is a water bottle by a company called UVBrite. It actually provides supposedly the best drinking water no matter where you are. And I have to say, I kind of agree. This water bottle actually is really good quality material. It's definitely one of the top tier water bottles that I've actually had the pleasure of using. I do a lot of international traveling, and faucet water isn't normally ideal. So it's definitely good to have some kind of water bottle that, emits some type of UV or germification technique that it utilizes. So this water bottle pretty much has a UV light at the bottom. It does have a locking mechanism which does prevent any type of UV rays from emitting unless the top is secured tightly onto the cap. It says it's a self-cleaning water bottle. Effectively, it kind of destroys roughly about 99.9% of microorganisms, and it does that by using some ultraviolet magic juju rays that kind of interrupt and destroy the RNA, DNA proteins within a microorganism. Whatever kind of science that goes on there, it definitely works. The water tastes great. There's a nice tactile button at the top. Quality is, as I said, is super amazing. Feels good in the hands. Doesn't really hold on to any scratches or anything like that. I haven't had, this thing goes in and out of my bag. I use it daily. I'm here in Florida, so faucet water you really shouldn't drink. I do have a filter in my fridge. However, using this, taking advantage of this is pretty good. You can get about 50 cleans in one charge actually. It comes in this other cool bluish color. There are definitely two modes on these water bottles. One is the standard mode, and the other mode, I can't remember what they called it. It's blitz mode, I believe, something like that. But it pretty much basically is if you need more efficient cleaning of your water, definitely put it on blitz mode, and you just hit the mode twice, hit the button twice. It's a pretty nice water bottle. I've been using this one actually. This is my favorite one. I really like the color. It's probably one of the best water bottles that I've had. Once again, great quality. I'm not sponsored by UVBrite at all. It's actually just a water bottle that I kind of just ran into on Amazon, and I was like, oh yeah. One thing I want to add is to keep in mind this water bottle does not clean visibly dirty water. The UV technology simply eliminates the harmful germs in your water using 90 seconds of UV technology. It says this battery is rated to last at least 10,000 hours. So technically you can get roughly about 400,000 90-second cycles in this one water bottle, which is pretty cool. If you guys like this water bottle, I will leave a link for it in the description. Feel free to subscribe.